Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to combining background with video in the CapCut apps. So first I'm going to tap on new project and I'm going to select one video, which is I'm going to add the green screen video, and I'm going to add one photo. So click add. Alright, so I'm going to make the video as an overlay. Click the clip and select overlay, and as you can see this picture as a background. Alright, I'm going to remove the green screen, so select cutout, select chroma key, select color, green color, adjust intensity and shadow. Alright, after done, you are just going to make it blend. Just select the overlay and select plane mode plane. You can select this mode plane as you like to combining with the background. But I think I'm going to select normal. Alright, just click check mark. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.